Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use vertical tabs in Microsoft Edge step by step. Vertical tabs help you organize and manage your open tabs more efficiently by displaying them in a sidebar instead of across the top of the browser. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Make sure you have a few tabs open so you can easily see the difference between the standard and vertical tab layouts. Next, look at the top left corner of the browser window. You'll see the Turn on Vertical Tabs button. Click on it. Microsoft Edge will instantly move your tabs from the top of the browser to a vertical panel on the left side of the screen. You can now scroll through your tabs more easily, especially if you have many tabs open. To view the full names of your tabs, hover your mouse over the tab sidebar or click the Expand Pane button. You can also click and drag tabs to rearrange them within the list. To open a new tab, simply click the New Tab button at the top of the sidebar. If you ever want to switch back to the traditional tab layout, click the Vertical Tabs menu and select Turn off Vertical Tabs. Edge will return your tabs to the top of the browser window. Vertical tabs are especially useful on widescreen monitors and for users who regularly work with many open tabs. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and used vertical tabs in Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Edge tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.